on this beautiful spring day of Easter and 420, I offer you this beautiful gift of word seeds. Seeds of words. How about these seeds? Love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, abundance, friendship, laughter, music, smiles, wellness, beautiful sparkling waters, health, unity, and aloha. Word seeds planted in love for the earth. Welcome to Aloha Food Forest. Words, like seeds, carry life. When we speak them with love, they grow, not in just our lives, but in the soil and in the hearts of others and in the earth herself. These are the seeds I'm planting today. Words, like seeds, carry life. So the seeds I choose to plant today are word seeds to bless the world. With friendship, music, and smiles. Wellness. Beautiful, sparkling waters. Vibrant health. Unity, and aloha. Enroll in Food Forest University to learn the 8 steps to growing a permaculture food forest garden in your yard and experience the joys of food freedom, health freedom, and financial freedom. Click below for access.